Up next is the highlight of today's event. Our little stars of kindergarten will take you on a short and sweet journey through the story of our great freedom struggle. A journey back in time, the days when India was not free. Yes, there was a time when India was ruled by the British, but brave men and women stood up and said, "We want freedom." Let's watch them tell us how India got its freedom. India's freedom struggle. Dear friends, as we all know, August 15th is a very dear and special day to all of us Indians. Yes, it is our Independence Day. But do you know the struggles we went through to get freedom from the British? Now, our KT children are going to take you back in history. The Britishers started coming to India for trade since the 16th century. They expanded their commercial trading operations and established offices and many factories in various places in India. Later, in the 18th century, the British became a dominant power and ruled over India for many, many years. They controlled the Indians and treated them in a bad and cruel way. They oppressed them as slaves. No freedom of speech, no rights of their own, heavy labor, low wages and bondage. One hot sunny day, some Indians were working very hard at a construction job. Three British soldiers arrived at the construction site.
Hey guys, what are you doing? Are you just sitting and chatting? Lazy, lazy! You're very, very
labor.
It's 6 o'clock. Finally, time to go home. Hopefully, they will pay our money today. Oh yeah, there is no food at home. I badly need the money. What is this? Is there not a better life? Is there no way out? We are treated as animals. No freedom at all. How long are we going to be slaves like this? Freedom. How I want to be a free bird. Maybe one day, someday. I don't know. Come, let's go home.
Yes, Indians were sick and tired of the cruel British rule. They decided to fight for their freedom. Many leaders started different movements that aroused the Indians all over the country.
Hey friends, how are you? I'm good. How are you? Did you hear about the great news? What?
After years of struggle, bloodshed and sacrifice, there was a breakthrough. Finally, on August 15, 1947, India was set free. Oh, what a thrill, what a victory. As we celebrate our Independence Day, we remember that we are set free from the British. We are no more slaves to the British people, and we are blessed to enjoy freedom as a nation. Dear friends, we are gathered today to remember and celebrate the independence that we celebrated 79 years ago. Let's ask ourselves this very important question. As a nation, India has got its freedom from the British rule, but are we truly experiencing freedom in our nation? Real freedom in our lives? But still, there are millions and millions of people who are suffering in their families and in their own lives. They are still living as slaves to something. Poverty. Terrorism. Violence. Corruption. And much more. Dear friends, maybe we are not affected by poverty, terrorism, violence, corruption, etc. But are we not still slaves to ourselves? Jealousy. Anger. Selfishness. Addictions. And much more. Is there true freedom? Let's give it a thought. Now, our children are here to explain about our national flag.
This stands for sacrifice. White stands for peace. Shravan